And now we're all done.
That was really fun. A lot easier than I thought too.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna get lost.
You guys did great, but now it's time to put it all together.
So guys, how will we be making these spin monsters today?
Well, we will be using the littleBits Gizmo and Gadget Kit to be making our crazy. Hi class, so we're gonna go over what materials you're going to need. You're going to need lots of colored construction paper, a black marker, a pencil, glue sticks, scissors, and glue dots.
And don't forget the littleBits.
Oh yeah, thank you Kathleen, the littleBits too.
Okay, we got all the materials now, so let's get started.
Okay, class, time to be mad scientists and make our monsters.
Boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and start. So you're going to take your mounting board and you're going to put it on your favorite color of construction paper. You're just going to trace that out, and then you're going to use your scissors oh so very carefully to cut a rectangle into your construction paper. Look at that. Now you can take the extra and just leave it to the side. Now you're going to take the white paper and you're going to draw your eyes. And you're going to take that black marker and you're going to give those eyes a little bit of character. And once you finish that, you're going to go ahead and cut those eyes out as well. And you want to be very careful when you cut out these eyes, because you don't want to cut yourself, or you don't want to cut your monster's eyes out, because that's not nice. But we're going to go ahead and keep on cutting. You're almost done. You're doing such a great job. And there you go. Now we have our two eyes. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to making the teeth. So for the top row of teeth, you're going to make 5 half circles, just like Miss Kathleen is doing right there. And then the bottom, you're going to have 3. You're going to go ahead and cut that out as well, just being as careful as you were when you were cutting out those eyes, because this is an essential part of your monster. So I'm going to go ahead and let Miss Kathleen finish cutting out her teeth. She's doing an absolutely great job. And I'm sure you're doing a great job too. I can see you through the screen. All right. We are getting close to being done. Almost there. And oh, there we go. So now you have your teeth and your eyes. So you're going to take that yellow construction paper and you're going to go ahead and put glue on one side of your eye, so one side of that monster, and then you're going to go ahead and put glue on that other eye to put it on the opposite side. Then you're going to take your top row of the 5 teeth and you're going to place it right in the middle. Then you're going to take your bottom row of those 3 teeth and you are going to place that right underneath it, so it's kind of like a wacky smile. But it's perfect. There you go, boys and girls.
Now we're done, and these are our monsters.
Rawr!
Wow, that was fun. But now it's time to use the littleBits. Are you ready, Jessica?
Why, yes, I am. Let's bring these monsters to life.
Rawr!
Okay, class, now it's time to put our thinking caps on, and we're going to go ahead and build our monster. Boys and girls, so we're going to go ahead and get started with constructing our machine. So you're going to take out that box, and at the very top you're going to see an instruction manual just in case you get lost. But you're going to pull out that mounting board that we used to trace earlier. You have a battery. There's going to be a cable. There's this blue P1 power piece. Then you're going to have a pink piece with a sliding dimmer. You're going to have a green piece with this little motor at the end of it, and then you are going to have a wheel. So you're going to go ahead and close that box and put it to the side, and you're going to get just a little bit organized here. So take that mounting board and flip it onto the opposite side. And then you're going to take that battery and you are going to plug the cord, the little power cable, into it. Then you're going to take that blue piece I was talking about. That's your power 1 piece. You're going to go ahead and stick that onto the mounting board and plug the cable into the little black port. Then you're going to take the pink sliding dimmer, which you can see is my favorite. You're going to go ahead and place it right next to that blue piece. And they're magnets, so you're going to want to feel that click. And then you're going to take the green piece, which controls, it powers your machine on and off. As you can see, if it gives you a little bit of pushback, just make sure to flip that piece around so that magnet connects to the pink piece. Take that motor and you connect it at the bottom. Then you're going to take your glue dots and you're going to put one on your battery and then place it on top of that motor. And there you go. You've completed.
Okay, guys and gals, now it's time to put all of it together and make our monster spin.
Boys and girls, we're going to start putting everything together. So you're going to grab one of your favorite faces that you've made. I think Mike's favorite is the green one. So he's going to go ahead and unroll some of those glue dots, and he's going to put one in each corner of your monster. So go ahead and just follow him, putting a glue dot in each corner of that rectangular monster. Almost done. There we go. Kind of sticky. So there you go. It's all put together. You're going to make sure that you support your machine very well and just press down on each corner to make sure that it's nice and secure. But there you go. Give it a spin.
Wow, that was really cool. My monster is super dizzy.
Yeah, he looks like it. But alright, guys. Today was fun. We learned a lot and enjoyed our time with you guys. But we're the yellow teachers, and we like to say,
Yellow.
And see you later.